Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today I have been officially a YouTuber for 1 month, so congratulations to me. Okay, until now all my content has been in Danish, but I decided from now on to move over to English. And this is my first ever English YouTube video. So please bear over with me and I hope for your patience with my English. I actually also see this as an opportunity for me to improve my English. In this video, I'm doing an average of 5 for you guys so you can see my level, but also for myself so in the future we can dive back and use this video as a benchmark to see how much I improved. If there's anything you want to know about me, put your questions down in the comments. Now I just want you to enjoy the video. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you liked the video and please comment what your personal best is.